Welcome back to Mr. English Pro, your daily English learning podcast.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Pro. Let me ask you a question. When someone asks, "How are you?" what do you usually say?
Most English learners immediately say, "I'm fine, thank you." And you?
Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct. But here's the problem. Native English speakers don't always say, "I'm fine." In real conversations, they use many different expressions depending on how they feel.
So today, we're going to learn 10 natural ways to answer "How are you?" that will make your English sound more fluent and more like a native speaker.
Let's get started.
Imagine your friend asks, "Hey Alex, how are you?"
Instead of saying, "I'm fine," you can simply say, "I'm good."
This is probably the most common answer in American English.
Listen carefully. How are you? I'm good. How about you? Simple, friendly, and natural.
Here's another one. "I'm doing well."
This sounds a little more formal, but is still very common. How are you today? I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
Now let's imagine you're having a fantastic day.
You can say, "I'm great," or "I'm doing great."
Listen to this conversation. "Hey Sophia." "Hi Alex, how are you?" "I'm great. I just finished my English lesson."
Doesn't that sound much more energetic?
Absolutely. Now what if you're feeling really happy?
Try saying, "Awesome," "I'm fantastic," or "I couldn't be better."
Example, "How are things?" "Fantastic. Everything is going really well."
Now let's talk about days that are just normal.
Not amazing, not terrible, just normal.
Then you can answer, "Pretty good," or "Not bad."
These are two of the most common American expressions. How are you? Pretty good. Or not bad.
Notice that "not bad" actually means you're doing okay. It doesn't mean your day is bad.
That's a mistake many learners make.
Now imagine you're very busy. Someone asks, "How are you?" You can say, "Busy but good," or "Keeping busy."
Example, "How have you been?" Keeping busy with work. Very natural.
What if you're tired after a long day?
You can honestly say, "I'm a little tired," or "I'm exhausted."
Native speakers appreciate honest answers when talking with friends.
But don't always answer negatively. Try to stay positive.